Hi guys, I'm back.
Oh! This hairdryer represents global warming.
Ice! Ice! Got any ice? Ice! What is that?
It's the ice you ordered.
Is that all you've got?
That's all I can find. It's becoming more scarce. It's hard to come by.
Ah! Humans! Burning fossil fuels, polluting the atmosphere with carbon dioxide, making the earth hotter and hotter.
Global warming.
It's melting
the ice.
Yeah, this global climate change is causing all kinds of problems.
Like what?
Climate change causes all kinds of problems. Now right here we've got an example of the ocean, and this ice floating in there is representative of sea ice. Sea ice is frozen seawater.
This we're gonna represent sea ice melting. So with the help of Bob, we're gonna put some ice cubes in here, okay?
So this is like sea ice in the Arctic.
Sea ice forms in every winter. The problem is because of the climate change for sure. More ice melts every year.
In the container that only has water and ice.
The starting point was at
Right underneath the Pyrex logo.
2.5 centimeters. We're gonna wait until the ice melt.
This is amazing.
So in order to make this short, what I'm about to do is melt the icebergs.
So all the ice is melted already.
As you can see, there's no ice at all.
We gotta measure it.
The water did not rise because it's still under the Pyrex logo.
Therefore, when the floating ice melts,
It doesn't cause sea level rise, but all the creatures who need the ice for survival don't have it so good. But there's also a lot of land ice that's melting.
But what are we gonna use for land?
This is called Hippo Island.
to represent the land ice.
I got an apple to represent land and ice on top of it, so if it melts, I want to see if it raises the sea level.
We're gonna use Bob. We're gonna put some ice in it.
And now it's time for the Empire Island to suffer global warming.
So when land ice melts, it does raise sea level.
I think you should do a cannonball into the hot tub, and that's the end.
Well, I mean, we actually do need the science. Global warming and climate change causes the glaciers to melt, and the glaciers can fall into the ocean, and that causes sea level rise.
The water level has risen a lot.
In the Empire Island, the ice also melts. It causes the sea level to rise.
When the continental ice melts, it adds extra water into the ocean. Therefore, the continental ice raises to sea level as it melts.
And all over the world, the whole ocean has risen 17 centimeters in the last 100 years. So melting sea ice has a lot of problems, but it doesn't cause sea level rise. And melting land ice does cause sea level rise. With all this global warming, I guess I'll never get my ice.
I'm so cold, I'm so cold, I'm so cold.